Be doing a lower control arm, and all you need to do is take off these two nuts. We've got a nut under here, which is the lower ball joint nut, and then this bolt right here, which comes underneath. I don't know if you can see it, and that's how you get to it. This is the old one out, and as you can see, it's got a little play.
Support for the
Opposed to this one,
from the heart of nature is
no play.
in part
So now we're going to install the new one. For some reason this didn't come pre-mounted on the control arm, so we just had to hammer it on a little bit. And now we're going to put it back on. Okay, once again, this is the old one. We're just showing you that it has been replaced here. See how loose it is? And here's the new one, already put on. See how much shiny it is? And then, like I was telling y'all before, I'm sure I didn't give y'all a good picture, but that nut's right there, or bolt, I'm sorry. And then those bolts right there for the other half of it, right there. All right. And then this bolt right there for the lower ball joint. Thanks for watching.